Cut the potatoes into pieces. Cut the green beans into long strips. Cut the pork belly into slices. Prepare scallions, ginger, star anise, dried chili peppers, minced garlic. Fry the pork slices until slightly charred. Add green beans and potatoes and stir fry for 3 minutes. Stir fry until all the green beans turn tender green. Add wine to remove the fishy smell. Add scallions, ginger, star anise, dried chili peppers. Stir fry until fragrant. 10 grams of soy sauce. 10 grams of oyster sauce. Stir fry evenly. Add water, enough to cover the ingredients. 2 grams of salt. 2 grams of MSG. Boil over medium heat for 3 minutes. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes. When time is up, reduce the sauce. Finally, add the minced garlic. This is the best combination. Trust me, this dish is very fragrant. The green beans are tender and not lose their texture. The potatoes are soft and flavorful. The garlic is excellent.